Welcome back to the N-Ext DIY Lawn channel. If you guys remember, about 2 weeks ago, I did a complete renovation of my backyard using the N-Ext seeding and overseeding pack. And today I just wanted to give you guys a little update on how it's going. Hold on just a minute. Okay, so this is 12 days after I seeded and used the N-Ext seeding and overseeding pack and the DIY premium double dark green seed from My Soil. As you can see, this stuff has come in really well. Now 2 days ago I did come out here and lightly spread a little more seed. I don't know, I think I put 5 pounds over the whole 2,000 square feet. And this is mostly all just perennial ryegrass. I'm just starting to see some of the Kentucky bluegrass come up in a few spots. So a few more days and I'll expect to see a whole lot more of that. Now some of you might be wondering about the color of this video. I don't alter the color of my videos at all. I do live in Southwest Washington, just north of Portland, Oregon, about 20 miles. Where yes, I've been battling the hazardous air from fires and smoke and all that. So honestly, it's not doing this color of this grass justice. It is really nice when it's not all brown and orange out here. But as you can see, it's definitely filling in rather well. I'm excited to see how this fills out. Some of you are wondering about this orange fence. That's to keep Brutus off the grass. And here in about 2 weeks, I'm going to be using the 901 GreeneStart. Give this a little small kick of some nitrogen. It's looking really good. So real quick, it's kind of hard to see on video, but I wanted to show you guys something, just how tall this has grown in 9 days. It's a little over 2 inches. That's pretty impressive. Okay guys, so remember at 21 days post germination, which is in just under 2 weeks for me, 12 ounces of the 901 GreeneStart per 1,000 square feet and 3 ounces of RGS per 1,000 square feet. It's really all you need. So here in about 2 weeks we'll get that done, but as you can see, the growth has been pretty amazing considering I've had 3 or 4 days of nothing but smoky haze. It's still doing really well. But we'll see you in the next video.